Hey, this is Dr. Farhan Khawaja. I have tons and tons of tutoring experience. I have tutored all ages. I have tutored 4th grade. I've even tutored kids that are 3 months old. I used to be in a program where parents would bring in their 3-month-old children, and I would have to look at their cognitive abilities and reported that to the parents. Whatever abilities they were deficient in, I would tutor them and get them to be up to par with their current age group. So I have a background in math as well as science. So in undergrad, I studied computer science and engineering. I got an honors degree from the University of Texas. And during that honors degree, I also did a minor in mathematics. So if you want to be tutored in any math subject, be it algebra, calculus, trigonometry, linear algebra, partial differential equations, any basic or advanced math topic, I am the guy for you. And one thing that really sets me apart from all the other tutors out there is that I know how to do real-world examples because I have done the actual practical scientific applications. For example, if you have a calculus problem or if you have a differential equation problem, I have actually applied those principles in real life, in a real scientific laboratory. I did my master's and PhD in neuroscience from McGill University, and that is when I applied all the math and science background that I had gained. And through that, I realized why the calculus that I had learned, as well as the differential equations I had learned, why that is so important. And I know how to explain that to different age levels. I have tutored 4-year-olds as well with the Montreal Education Board, where we had parents come in with their 4-year-olds, and I had to tutor them in math and science. I have also tutored 4th grade for 2 years in the Mid-Cities Education Board. After that, I started tutoring high school. I did that for 4 years. I tutored high school math, science, social studies, psychology, or even some arts topics like government, economics. So I tutored that. I started tutoring college kids. I did that for 4 years, and that was tutoring in programming, in more computer science related topics, so more engineering related topics. So I did that during college, and my results were really good. People are really happy with the way I teach because, like I said, I use real world applications to teach my students, and I teach in a very hands-on way. So I also spend a lot of time before I do the actual lesson. So I do a lesson plan, very structured, based on what chapter you're on, or the quiz that you want to study for, or the homework assignment that you have. Whatever help you need, I will do a lesson plan first, and then I will come and tutor you. The other thing I do, which is very different from most tutors, in terms of being hands-on, is I always bring a whiteboard with me with markers with different colors, and I color code different things as I explain, because I know from my neuroscience degree how important it is in terms of visual learning. I know that different people have different learning styles, so I also cater my tutorials for those different learning styles. I can teach biology very well. I have a PhD in neuroscience, which required a lot of neurobiology experience. A lot of my prereqs included biology, chemistry, physics classes, as well as other advanced science classes. I'm very good at concepts. I'm very good at understanding principles. You will be able to learn things and you will remember them. You will ace your exams. You will ace your quizzes, ace your homework assignments. I will give you, at the end of the tutorial, a review sheet in which you will assess how I did. I want to get feedback from you. I want to know what I did right, what I did wrong, and I want to be better next time. I want to adapt to your learning level. I want to adapt to your learning style. This is Dr. Farhan Khawaja. Thank you for listening.